In this video, we're taking you on a tour of Harrahs, Las Vegas. Harrahs completed a $200 million renovation in 2021 and features fresh new rooms, an expansive casino area, multiple restaurants, exciting nightlife and entertainment, a relaxing pool, a spa, and a 24-hour fitness center. Its location at the center of the Strip makes it a fantastic place to stay, as many other hotels and attractions are within walking distance. Standard room rates, including the daily $45 resort fee, are around $350 during the weekends and $150 during the weekdays. Self-parking is an additional $20 Monday through Wednesday and $25 Thursday through Sunday. After a quick and efficient check-in process, we headed up to our room on the 62nd floor. Let's take a look at our one-bedroom suite. So as soon as you walk in, there's a pretty spacious living area. So here's a quick glance at it. And on the right side, there's a small wet bar with some coffee and tea. There's a coffee maker and a small sink and a fridge down here. They don't fill it up with drinks, so you can put whatever you need to in there. So we put a couple bottles of water. There's the ice bucket and a couple of cups. There's this table here, which is in a weird placement because I think it should be here in the middle, but that's how the room came. A couple seats here where you can sit down and watch TV because big screen TV is right in front of it. Two seats here in this lounging area so you can have a drink and snacks while taking in views of the Venetian and the Sphere is back there, which is pretty cool. So we have a nice view of that. Now let's take a look at the bedroom. So we have two queen beds. And here's another big screen TV. There's 3 shelves here and a safe, small vanity mirror, and a seat for the ladies if they want to do their makeup. And this one also has great views of the Sphere and the Venetian. So look at that, that's a very nice view of the Sphere. So for the beds, so there's 2 queen beds and they do have plugs on both sides of this table right here. So there's some USB plugs and a couple of regular plugs on both sides. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. There's a pretty big soaking tub. It's just a single sink vanity with a large backlit mirror. And here is a small closet. Yeah, we're stuck in there. Yeah, it's pretty small. Here's the toilet and a spacious shower. Let's open this up. There's the products to use. And there's a shower. So it's a very nice room, especially with the soaking tub. And that is a quick look at our 1 bedroom with 2 queen beds here at Harrahs, Las Vegas. Walk-Ons features over 85 TV screens to take in your sporting events while enjoying game day classics such as burgers and wings, along with your favorite beers and cocktails. Fulton Street Food Hall features a diverse selection of cuisine, which are freshly made throughout the day. From personalized pizzas at Pin Up Pizza to Bobby's Burgers by Chef Bobby Flay, as well as a well-stocked bar, Asian dishes, pastries, and coffee, the food hall is a convenient stop for great food choices from around the world all in one spot. Ruth's Chris Steakhouse features USDA prime steaks, seafood, appetizers, and desserts, which are complemented by an award-winning wine list and handcrafted cocktails. Michelin-starred chef Gordon Ramsay's restaurant, Ramsay's Kitchen, features a menu inspired by his travels across the globe. Make sure to try out his classics, such as beef Wellington and sticky toffee pudding at this new and casually refined restaurant. Pizza Cake by Buddy Valastro serves fresh-made New York-style pizza and desserts. It features indoor and outdoor seating, which has great views of the Strip. There's also a Ben & Jerry's for ice cream, Splash Fresca Bar for delicious agua frescas, and a Starbucks on site. Harrahs shows its true colors during the evening when the party gets started at multiple bars on site. Carnival Court is the hotel's unique outdoor nightlife experience that features a lively bar, live bands, and DJs, all in a fun party atmosphere Vegas is famous for. Check out the Piano Bar for outrageous fun on the Strip during the evenings. It offers a full slate of live shows, including Big Elvis, dueling pianos, and DJ Rusty's All-Star Las Vegas Karaoke. The lounge is a comfortable and intimate setting located in the heart of the hotel. It features plush seating with multiple TVs where friends can relax and mingle while enjoying a refreshing crafted cocktail. Swing by the signature bar located on the casino floor to catch sporting events on multiple big screen TVs while sipping on one of 18 brews on tap or trying an inventive beer cocktail. Sports betting fanatics should definitely spend some time at Caesars Race and Sportsbook. It's a relaxing space with modern contemporary furniture where you can watch your favorite sporting events on state-of-the-art viewing screens. Las Vegas has always been famous for its shows, and Harrahs has a great lineup. Catch live shows from legendary entertainer Donny Osmond to unique productions like Menopause the Musical, X Country for Adults, Stars of Comedy, and The Magic of Colin Cloud. There's no better place to hang out during those hot summer days than the pool at Harrah's. The pool deck features an Olympic-sized lower pool where you can swim morning laps and a smaller upper pool for lounging around. Rent a daybed or a secluded cabana while enjoying VIP treatment while sipping on a cocktail from the poolside bar. Harrahs conveniently has multiple shops for electronics, clothing, jewelry, drinks and snacks, and other essential items. Don't forget to grab a souvenir at the Welcome to Las Vegas store. Escape the bustling casino floor and head over to the spa at Harrah's for a relaxing massage, body treatment, and other wellness services at this full-service spa. Right next to the spa is a 24-hour gym with the latest cardio and exercise machines, as well as plenty of free weights. It's a small gym, but they did a great job of maximizing the space with all the equipment they were able to fit in here. The Las Vegas monorail conveniently has a stop at Harrah's, which can be easily accessed via this indoor walkway. It operates along a 3.9-mile route from Sahara Las Vegas Station to the MGM Grand Station, and the trains arrive every 4 to 8 minutes. There is also an indoor walkway to access the link and its promenade so you can avoid the heat. We enjoyed our time at Harrah's Las Vegas. Our remodeled one-bedroom suite was clean, spacious, and the spectacular view of the Sphere was an added bonus. Its location made it easy for us to walk and explore nearby attractions on the Strip, which was highlighted by our ride on the high roller at the Link Promenade. We would stay here again on future visits and recommend you checking it out as well. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.